Instead of managing time management, we got to manage our focus. Focusing has become very important in this era. Good evening, friends. My name is Shubhvardan, mechanical engineer working in a cement plant. I have learned the following things from SHUBHVARDAN.com. In order to build our career, we have to build our foundation. Our foundation has to be very strong. The foundation can be built by focused learning and focusing on things. Instead of managing time management, we got to manage our focus. Focusing has become very important in this era. And I have learned how to select our niche. We can select our niche from following: health, relationship, career, finance, spiritual. And there are 5 P's in order to find whether our niche solves the problem. I thank Vardhan Sahu and Naveen Sir for giving us a wonderful opportunity for learning this. Thank you very much. Namaste.